So how does the system work? Compressed air in, obviously you have your inlet ball valve. You have your supply air gauge, your blasting pressure that is controlled by the regulator, dry blast, MistBlast or wet blast, and washdown. So inside the box, your dry stack comes all the way through your main assembly. This is the same as a dry blast pot with a regulator in line. In dry blast, we don't actually actuate any of the internal valves. We simply dry blast with a main stack, auto air valve, and a metering valve. But in the MistBlast feature, you switch to MistBlast. It signals the MistBlast air actuated ball valve. You adjust your water by the dial here. And washdown, we use a Humphrey valve to create a remote abrasive cutoff, which shuts off the abrasive and opens up the water side of the air actuated ball valve, so you only get water and air. So how does the injection block work? You have your main dry stack, dry abrasive in the blast pot coming down to the metering valve, and then after the metering valve, you inject water. So the MistBlast will be the innermost, so you have the most wear in the injection block, and the washdown will be the outer. So we inject water at a very high velocity, which mixes with the abrasive and airstream here that creates an optimal dust suppression at the nozzle.